exactly what I was looking for towards the end of my course. The last little refresher before going to our final placements, which gives us an idea a lot more of what we're doing whenever we're done. So it gives us that final good luck, essentially.
I think it gave me a bit of confidence, like the principals and different people from the union said things about our position that I probably would never have thought of, about, the education we've got here in Queen's, the new teaching methods and everything's really up to date, and it's probably something I never really would have thought of saying in an interview or even in an application. So just giving a wee boost of confidence that, we're not just inexperienced and that we do have as much a chance.
Yeah.